Hey, TJ Hines here, better known as Mr. Flipperhouse. Let me first say this. I appreciate your attention. I'm the best-selling author of my self-published book that you can go and grab on Amazon today called Virtual Wholesaling for Dummies. And just a treat for you, I'm going to send you over to my blog, mrflipperhouse.com, so you can get my free ebook, which is the first book I wrote called Wholesaling as Simple as Your ABCs. And this explains the tactics that I use to get out here and start wholesaling properties, making tons of cash without any of my cash or credit. Sounds good, right? Right. On another note, the topic that I want to bring to you today is going to be why you should be investing in the Tampa real estate market. Stay tuned, sit back, relax, as I have a treat for you coming next. Hey, thanks guys for sitting patiently waiting for my return. Here I am back as promised, and I'm going to talk about why you should be investing in the Tampa Bay, Florida real estate market. Alright, the reason why you should be investing in this market is, why not invest in this market? Everybody is investing in this market. Right now guys, we're attracting guys from all over the world. We have foreign investors investing heavily from the countries such as Puerto Rico, Canada, Venezuela, Spain, Argentina, and you may be asking yourself, well, TJ, why are you saying this is where we should be pouring our hard-earned dollars? Well, simply because of the returns that you get on your investment. Now, I'm going to give you guys some important information that you should know about today's market. And what I'm going to talk about is the trend we're in right now. We have slowly transitioned from a buyer's market to a seller's market. Now, we are not at the peak of our market. We probably will see another downturn before we actually reach the peak. But right now, guys, there's a lack of inventory and there's a high demand for supply. Now, when we know there's a high demand for supply, and we've all been through elementary school and learned the difference between demand and supply is, when the demand is high, the prices rise. All right, so we have transitioned back to somewhat in the seller's market. So about 9-10 months ago, it would be very easy to acquire properties, expecting at least a 25% return on your investment of your total investment. And what I'm saying is, if we're taking down the property and we're putting our sweat equity into it, rehabbing it, and looking to get retail value out of it, we're looking to get a 25% return on top of the money that we put into the investment. Okay? Well, guys, that was 9-10 months ago. Now, are there deals still out there right now in the Tampa Bay market that you're going to get 25% and above? Absolutely. But you may only be doing one deal every quarter, because those deals aren't around right now, okay, as they once were. Now, our business is simply based off of volume, okay? And right now, we're looking to get anywhere from 15 to 25% return on our money. Depending on the situation, it may even be 10 to 25% return on our money, okay? But if we're doing volume, guys, those 15, those 10%, those 20%, they start to add up. Now, if you're not doing volume, of course, if you want to be nitpicky, then you may want to just take it easy and wait on those 25% returns. But if you're a go-getter and you're looking to turn your money over and move your money here and you move your money there, if you really can't afford for your money to sit, then these are the types of returns that you can expect right now. Don't get all riled up if people are out there selling you on nothing but 25, 50% returns or better. Hell, in a market 9, 10, maybe 19 months, maybe a year ago, you can definitely get those type of returns on a consistent basis. But let's be realistic here, because I'm a very realistic guy, and I'm not a guy here selling information. I'm just educating you on the trend of the market in Tampa, Florida, and why it's so profitable. We even have guys in our own state that are big-time investors that pour their money from wherever they are in their local markets, such as Miami, Orlando, Tallahassee, Panama. These guys are all flocking down here to Central Florida, Tampa Bay, Pinellas County, Hillsborough County. Guys, do your research. Okay, we were named in the top 10 cities to invest in the United States of America, in our whole country. Okay, it's a reason why these foreign investors are just pouring their money into this market. If you want to know more on how to conquer and start getting the returns that you are satisfied with, and stop accepting what people are giving you, guys, feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. info@mrflipperhouse.com. Now, what I'm going to do something very special for you guys, okay? I'm going to show you guys a project that we currently just acquired. We haven't quite got started on it yet, but we're going to be walking through it, and I'm going to give you the vision of what we're going to do to this property, and hopefully you can grasp that vision and see a clear picture of what the finished product may look like, okay? I'm going to update you guys on this particular project as we're going through the rehab so you can see it from start to finish. I'm a real guy out here doing very real things. I'm not just teaching this stuff, guys. I'm actually out here doing this. It's hard concrete numbers that's on paper, okay? So, hey, if you have any questions about investing here in the Tampa Bay real estate market, like I said, please leave all your inquiries at info@mrflipperhouse.com. Let's go to the house, guys, so I can show you what our next project's gonna look like. Stay tuned.